Christmas and New Year's, everybody want change. Una money? Everybody just want to get up and change so. And after New Year's gone, you see your friend them you keep, your bank account up on the same level, your friend up on the same level, and your ear where you're having from last year to now, it not change. So what change? You're a winter duck. Ramp with me. Boy! Wrong smarty.
When it comes to 1-year-old Isaiah, Amir, you are not the father.
See my t-shirt, 16 can't believe her. She praying that I never leave her. Yeah, she love a drug dealer, so she love a nice t-shirt. Those skinny jeans fall to the sneaker. Invicta splash down.
Earth a run red. When I wanna is I wanna tea bread. And it makes you dead.
Excuse me, sir. Where can I find the international aisle?
Aisle 14, boss man. Aisle 14. Look up, you're gonna see the sign and I
Okay,
can
thank
read
you.
it. Alright?
There's only 13. There's only 13. Excuse me.
Jesus Christ, man!
There's only 13 aisles. There's not a 14.
Boss man! Where you want? Where you look
The
for?
international aisle.
And me say the international blouse and skirt aisle is
Yeah,
14!
as you can
One,
look, there's
4,
only 13
and
aisles.
14! What number come after 13? Answer me! Which number come after 13?
But there's only
But
13.
me don't care what you say. Me don't care what you say. International aisle. They're aisle 14.
There's only 13
aisle 14. 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. If you're not see none, make one.
Oi! As Maya could wait till morning, As morning light, you gonna people. Find yourself in a yard. From you, me knock you out and send you up to hospital. Hey, little boy, don't ramp with me.
Water, earth, fire, air.
Oi! Oi! Hey! Oi! Oi! Hello! Wait!
Yes. Look like enough in that one, yeah. Nah, man. I'll be a breeze. Well, watch ya. After nothing in this, relax.
Obia, walking the Obia, walking the Obia, walking the Obia. Walk up, walk up, walk up, walk up.
Walk it blood clot, I'm here make you fuck. Walk it, I'm here panic bus. Tell you see.
I run a station.
Nah, I like officer. I'm here. I'm here. You know, superintendent John Sidola. I'm uncle. I'm not carrying. You're my uncle. You're my uncle.
Is it? I'm a dog. First, I'm a boy like them, full of gun, full of crocodile. Send them in. Over there. Send them in. Fool them. Spray them. Send them is what? Them is not. Hey, we push up this thing. Slow this smoke on it. Yes, Paula. I start going back to church, you know. So you're going to church tonight? On New Year's Eve, you know. I can open a Bible for you. Hold on, Paula. I want to talk to you. The devil saying bad, him is not. God, me I go praise every day non-stop. Lord, in the Bible, the small size one. God, that you me love so me tippy offering pan. Which offering? God church non laps. A God me say so me non do no wrongs. Me no like Satan. Wally, shut him on box. Thank you God for everything we me have. Amen. Hey, go on go bed. We got church later.
Hey man, how do I get to Seaford Town? Alright, so when you're ready to go Seaford Town, you go back up out there, so just reverse back and just go back so. And you go some more spin around and pin around and pin around. When you make it right, you pass one big old yellow house, don't tap over the house, then do over the house there. And when you go around, so you go reach roundabout around the circumference, you go around the circumference, you go pass about 3 ham and 3 down there so. And when you see Miss Rose, don't tap over there, she go ask you for some money. And you go forward, and when you go forward, you go pass about 3 houses. And you go up on the top hill and about be a pit hole, you come back down so. And low on patrol, you make a left turn. And when you make a left turn, hey, sound the tappy knife! Cock enough, you make someone nice tappy! Anyway, and you take that left there, and you go up about 3, 1, 2, 3, about 4 houses. And when you go around there, so, you reach your destination, sir. It kind of far, but you drive car, you're good to go. Alright?
John, look how my woman beautiful. Baby, I love you.
Hi. I rate you too.
I say I love you, babes.
I say I rate you too.
Baby, I said I love you. I love you, baby.
Yeah.
So,
I rate you too.
I love you. I love you.
Rate you too.
I love
rate
you, baby.
as well. I rate you also.
I love you.
I'm say I rate you too.
Yo, bro. Bododo. I just want to say how far we are coming from, is it? You know, from marble days. You know, building chuck out of boxing, slingshot. You see me? I just want to say, yo, I love you, bro. You see? Love you. You're a fish. You come in and say with a lovey-dovey thing. So when I can't love my brother, go love your girl, youth. Dog, I just show you one vibes. Just show you one pre. Bro, choke to your mama with that, man. I love that youth there. But we have the same mother. Live up in front of me with a fish mentality, youth. Jaja, them mama are different.
Never again. Lord God. Johnny. Oh God, what the
Hey Chris, what's up?
Hey, can I come inside and play video games?
I liked my dad. Hello, Dad. Can Chris come inside and play video games? You mean the nasty blood clot little idiot, rank dirty foot bottom waist boy well of him belly smell like piss and not like beard? Tell him go suck him mother. He says we have to go to church.
Hey kid, where do you live?
With my parents.
Where does your parents live?
With me.
Where do you all live?
Together.
Okay, where is your house?
Next to my neighbor's house.
Hey, where is your neighbor's house?
If I tell you, you won't believe me.
Don't worry, I will believe you.
Next to my house.
Morning, mommy. Morning. You could take out the rubbish them. I take it out right now. If I had my son, him take it out same time. Bitch! Nobody a talk to you? Eh? So you gonna make him talk to me, sir?